In this video, I'll show you how to disconnect Trust Wallet from Pancakeswap. So what you need to do, open up your Trust Wallet. So if you have previously connected to Pancakeswap and you have to disconnect, what you need to do, just click on this Pancakeswap. So I think I've connected my wallet previously. So I'm going to just come on here. Okay, I think I'll come on here because I want to disconnect my wallet. Okay, so I think my wallet is currently not connected. So let me say if I connect it, right? I think it's currently connected now. So I am going to click on this. Okay, I'm going to click on this account. Yeah, so you can see these two. I'm going to click on this. I've disconnected this, so I think I'm going to still do the same for this. So just basically going to just come on here, do the same as well. So you can see it's not currently connected again. So you can see, okay, okay, I'm gonna do for this solo now. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect. So once you refresh, so just if you follow what I just told you now, you're gonna be able to disconnect your wallet. Okay, right now you can be able to see connect. So I just disconnected my Trust Wallet from Pancakeswap. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.